Hey everybody, we have a TurboChef SOTA NGO Panini upgraded model. So it has the, it's on cooldown right now, but it has super clean, by the way. And it's not cheating because everything's clean. If you look at the pictures, you can see each layer, each level. Yeah, it's beautiful. Got it on cooldown right now, but I'm gonna fire it back up in a second. Just probably do that now. Warming up. Okay, while she's warming up, I'll go ahead and get a look around the whole thing. It is phenomenal, fully reconditioned, everything cleaned, taken apart, cleaned internally, everything checked out. It's absolutely beautiful. Trying to get some. Oh, it gives you a good idea how nice it is. Here's your media where you can download your full menu and all of that, and any hardware. Firmware upgrades, all that stuff. Where are we at here? 487. Set temp is 500. Oh, there it goes. Sandwiches. Well, I do have over here somewhere a wet rag, so we're going to just crank up the. It's on convection now, obviously the heater, but we're going to crank up the microwave / convection with a wet rag. Sandwiches, since we don't have much. I don't know what any of these are. This is not my menu. And it is cooking. I don't know. It said 2 minutes. I'll give it a little bit. I won't even give it a minute. May not end up destroying my rack. I don't know. This is the best thing I could think of to. Oh, lordy. She's hot. Alright, well, the microwave aspect works as well. Enter to resume. No, we won't be resuming. But, cooling down. Alright. Spin this sucker around so you can see the back. Absolutely clean. There's your filter, and there's your fans. Super clean, super nice. Alright. Got this side well enough, but I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful. And really, that's about it. It's on cooldown now. Let's fire it back up. Test it. Warming up. And this little lit circle fills up when it's up the temp. Kind of cute. It's very beepy. But really, that's about it. It's really pretty and there's your Panini model. So this does everything that SOTA does. The normal SOTA NGO, and then it has the Panini upgrade. So it puts the Panini marks, the grill marks, if you will, on the whatever it is you're cooking. How about that? These things are super fast. They're crazy fast. Well, thank you guys.